Today, we will show you how to change the batteries on your Garmin Vector 3 power meter system. While you can change the batteries on your Vector 3 system on the bike, for the video, we will be changing the batteries with the pedals removed from the bike. Changing the batteries is not a difficult process, but you'll want to follow along closely to ensure peak performance from your system. You will need a 4mm Allen key, mineral oil such as baby oil, 4 LR44 or SR44 coin cell batteries, and a toothpick or similar small tip applicator. In this video, we will be using a toothpick. Applying mineral oil helps to prevent corrosion that can build up between the batteries and on the battery contacts. Begin by using the Allen key to remove the battery door. Now, remove the two batteries from the battery retainer. For instances where the batteries remain in the pedal, you may need to tip the bike over to allow the batteries to fall out. Before installing the batteries, we will need to apply a small amount of mineral oil to various parts of your Vector 3 system. First, apply the mineral oil to the battery holder. Then, to both sides of the batteries. It is often easiest to install the batteries at this point. Ensure the positive terminal is face down. Lastly, apply the mineral oil to the battery board's contacts. After all of the mineral oil has been applied, reattach the battery door. It should be about a 3/4 turn. Follow this same process to remove the batteries from the other pedal. And that's it! Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.